I want to tell you that passive income is a lie unless you do these 3 things.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello everyone, my name is Idayat and I'm a serial entrepreneur. I have multiple streams of income that makes me a lot of money consistently into my bank account. I also help teach people how to create passive income, semi-passive income, and digital products to give them more financial stability. And if you watch this video to the end, that might be your next story, is to give yourself more financial stability. Why did I say passive income is a scam? If you do not watch this video, well, the word passive itself means you don't have to do nothing. That is not true. 99% of passive income that we just say passive income is semi-passive. What does that mean, Idayat? That means you first have to put in the work, and then you can sit and watch your work turn around into profit. And I'll explain what I mean by that. So let's say, for example, you pick a topic, you want to create a digital product, right? Maybe you want to create a digital product around makeup artists. So you're a makeup artist and you're looking for extra streams of income that you can make in your sleep, right? You need to create a system. If you do not create a system that is helping you making money in your sleep, there is no way you can make money in your sleep. So how can you create this system? So let's say you want to teach everyday working class Americans how to do their basic makeup in the morning before they go to work. You record yourself with your model making an everyday makeup. You put the list that we can find on Amazon on how to buy all the instruments, all the equipment, all the eye pencils, the foundation, the lip gloss, the lip balm, the mascara, what have you. You put it as a clickable link in there, so you're also getting paid for affiliate links, right? And then you also show us in the video how to properly use it, the quantity we need, show us how to the best way to pick our the best way to pick our shade, foundation shade. You know, that's always a problem. And you bundle everything together and you create this video. Maybe it's $9.99 or maybe it's $19.99. If that video just stays in your draft, there is no way it's going to become passive income. It's not even going to become semi-passive, because how can I find you if you're invisible? Because when you are not visible, especially on social media, when you have a digital product, you are invisible. There's no way I can find you. So what are you going to do instead? You are going to create a page, or maybe you already have your makeup artist page, and now you are going to be talking, probably teaching us a little bit on TikTok live in your TikTok pre-recorded videos, right? How to do regular everyday makeup. And you know, it's just natural for people to catch you in the middle, catch you almost at the end, catch you in the beginning, but they can't go through. So when they ask, oh my God, I missed the middle, or oh my God, I came in the end, can you show me again? And then you'll be able to refer them to the link in your bio. That's your funnel. So your funnel is create the video, create the downloadable checklist for everything they need to buy, upload it on a website. It could be Gumroad, it could be Stand Store. Put it on your TikTok. TikTok is where you're going to get your cold audience. They're not going to be so cold because you're going to be coming live consistently while you're doing makeup for your customers regardless. The makeup that you're going to do for your customers regardless, now you are doing it on a live. People are asking you questions and you are referring them to your course. That is the only way you can create passive income. So that's why I say no income is really 100% passive. You first have to do the work, the foundation, and then you can start making forever money. Of course, you only have to create it one time. You only have to upload it one time. You only have to put the description one time. right? And even if 1,000 people on a daily come and get your course, the course is still going to be there. That is why it's passive. But girl, don't lie to yourself that you're not going to put in the work. You're going to put in the work, and you are going to market. You are going to post about it on your social media page. You are going to come live and talk about it. You're going to show us that you actually know how to do it, and you're the one doing it. So you are going to become the expert in your niche, and then you're going to start making money in your sleep. I hope this video helps. Don't forget, if you want to make money in your sleep and you already have skills, or you already have past experiences that could be beneficial to somebody else that you can write as an ebook, you know where to go. Find the link around this video and join the Boss Up community today. Or better still, you can join the Digital Boss Lab, which is a subscription lab that we are in there consistently mixing different marketing chemicals together to provide you forever income through your digital products. I can't wait to see you on the inside. I'll talk to you all later. Oh yeah. Let's go.